So what we have here on the screen is a finished TY radio. If you look down the side, you can see we have the introduction, and there's actually two introductions here. The third one is a student named Cian, and he's speaking and introducing the next song. The fourth one is Jack, who is speaking and introducing the next song. And then the final one we have is JJ, and JJ is delivering a reminder about the attendance drive that was running in our school at the time. So again, this can be changed to suit the context in your school. So perhaps you have a competition or a football game coming up or choir practice, anything that's coming up in your school. So I'm just going to play it through so you can hear what it sounds like.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Cian McGuire here from TY Radio, and it's a lovely Friday evening. We got some pretty good songs coming up, so sit back and enjoy.
And just to switch it on to Jack's part.
Hope you're enjoying the TY Radio. Here's the next song.
And finally, just skip it on to JJ's part.
This is Jaded Void coming to you live from the TY Radio. We have a couple more songs coming up, but just make sure you're in for the 21 days to win some cool prizes.